Hey Christina, here is the playthrough of number 55 in the book, the triplet and rest variations. I'm actually going to slow down the tempo on my metronome a bit just so you can really hear the pulse and kind of feel where all these notes are supposed to fit. So I bumped my metronome marking way down to 80. Well, actually, let's go to 77, make it really slow. Just so you can see how this works. So I'm going to hit play and hopefully this will help you a little bit. And you know what? This might be even something you can practice playing along with too, because I think having that metronome pulse is going to help you. And I think having just be able to see how the notes fall with the metronome will help you too. So here it is. Also, check out how nice and long they made their quarter notes. It's really easy when you're going through triplets patterns, or you're going through 16th note patterns, and you've got all these fast notes, and then a quarter note pops up. A lot of times we like to chop those off because we're used to playing all these fast notes, but you want to make sure that those quarter notes are nice and stretched and they're one full beat. I'm going to slow this down even more just so we can get a really good feel for this. So take two, slower tempo. You also are going to want to double check your fingering for high E natural on this one. It's 1, 2, 1, 2. Both of those ring fingers and pinkies are going to be up off your flute. And then high F is like regular F, except in the left hand, you're going to lift the middle finger. So double check those high note fingerings too, just to make sure you've got those down. I know it's tricky when you've got hard rhythm and high note fingerings, but you will get this. You just got to practice it really slowly. And then once you get it down, then pick up your tempo as you get more confident. If you get stuck, let me know. And I hope this helps you.